In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a Scrum board in Jira. Whether you're new to project management or just need a quick refresher on setting up a Scrum board, this guide will make the process a breeze. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a functional Scrum board to help streamline your project management, manage team workflows, and boost overall productivity. To get started, let's first navigate to the Atlassian website, which is the one-stop platform for all things related to collaboration software for software, IT, and business teams. Once you're on the homepage, the next step you'll need to take is to sign in to your account. If you're not already signed in, you'll spot the Sign In option typically located at the upper right corner of the page. Enter your login credentials, and you'll find yourself at the Jira Home dashboard. Now that you're at Jira Home, keep an eye out for the Project option in your dashboard. Clicking on Project will pave the way for setting up a new project, which is where our Scrum board journey truly begins. After selecting Project, the next button you'll want to click is Create Project. This action is the foundation upon which you'll build your Scrum board and select the project scope that aligns with your team's workflow needs. In this setup phase, the system will prompt you to choose a type of project. Here, you'll select Software Development from the list of available project categories. This choice helps tailor the settings to accommodate the needs typically associated with software development tasks, making it easier to manage and track progress throughout the lifecycle of your project. The next option you should select is Scrum. By choosing Scrum, you're adopting a framework that supports breaking down complex tasks into manageable increments, known as sprints. This strategy is proven to increase productivity and transparency, giving your team clear and achievable goals to work towards within specific timeframes. After selecting Scrum, you'll be presented with the option to Use Template. Clicking on Use Template ensures that your Scrum board is created using a predefined structure, which helps standardize workflows and maintain consistency. Once done, Jira will automatically generate the Scrum board with all the essential features you need to manage your projects. Congratulations! By following these simple steps, you've successfully set up a Scrum board in Jira. This new board will not only aid in maintaining focus on your team's sprint goals, but also offer a comprehensive overview of the project progress. Remember, effective project management is all about clear organization, communication, and adaptability. Thank you for watching, and happy managing!